dahil nakita ko na sobrang panalo. Ito yung luxury treehouse nila na sobrang Instagrammable. Kasi dito may hanging bridge sa pwede mong lakaran at air condition na din yung room nila. May TV at ito lang naman yung view mo sa labas. 5,000 pesos lang ito kapag weekdays at 6,000 naman kapag weekends. Good for 2 to 3 packs na. Meron din sila ditong ramen house na lakefront at may magandang view. 2,500 pesos lang ito. Good for 4 packs na kapag weekdays at 3,000 naman kapag weekends. At meron din sila ditong smart house na lakefront. 4,000 naman ito kapag weekdays at 5,000 naman kapag weekends. At ang smart house lake view naman nila ay 3,500 lang kapag weekdays at 4,000 naman kapag weekends. Good for 5 packs na ito pareho. At 22 hours of stay at children below 4 years old lang naman is free of charge.
Meron din silang treehouse na perfect sa magjowa. Ang ganda ng view dito sa hanging bridge dahil tanaw mo yung buong campsite. May queen size bed, TV at portable aircon. Ang rates nitong treehouse ay 5,000 kapag weekdays, then 6,000 naman kapag weekends. Good for 2 packs na. Then ito yung common CR.